Too much asha for mema obibia akwaba ede ebagana wahala dwumedi yi eso muni aba ekwesi kapa ena motimini na ebusin for morning say ensem a trendy ewo memu de di atentwie de chese agentrene ewo memu no ene ye de eba ye fidie kasie yi eso ebepeni nyina ne pomasibre na eba na entertainment eba no ye chese se fa awari o se fa de nyina ye de nyina ebebegu apono so na ne dayim awarefo mienu achese oba aye na adwin se wo jai bema enam ne botaye awowo na enu nti bema ne nte ne ho ase na enu wode akwakoto radio presenter bi anim achese wo mo de aware nsem na wo mo esiesi aware nsem aware ohawa bema nu no moti omusi nkonya eka na afi obi aye ba besiesi asema adane adapetwa enkoa na abusuafo moma yenkonkohwe video yi embraye ba ye de nkomo no ana ye de nsanu munchemu ebeto
community se me maintain me to ato mojadru wo begina ha se wo se wo de wanu di me na wo ye bema wo ni se de oba
me oba
wo anya na anya na kwa anya wo aka minim se bema ne kwate menem ya ne ho ba wo ye bema ye de oba
me tu ma anya ode mam ta fo tin na anya ode ntina to atade hye me
anti obi a wo pe be
ntina wo hye me
no wo pe ba ma no na be di me
ante yo pe bia me ma no
pe ba ma me no
what are they me fumo
di me
adwuma na waka na fie na osi no
wo ko asem o
na me hwe no
o se wo pe ba enye ya no na e di ye adwuma
antina
wo po che se wu
antina me ni na nko atade hye me me yile ni ho gbana ye da o to atade hye me wo
say ya nwura me hwemu
obwa ko te bia so di o to no obwa
anti me ya tutu
ko te bia so di
se me ya tutu
wa ja ko te bia so di
enti ano se ni ko ye di oba
usuba na unye usuba na enye usuba na enye usuba na enye ko te Nigeria bob black of bani nyana me so no mbete usuba na enye
yeah
me jo ho de tinja na ma be ma ba ofie e tonsa na nko no be ma warewa na nko na be ma warewa
so we ya me ho ade what is
na nko
when him say drew baby me den me ka say me ja no
obwa
anti we drew baby me ka say me ja no
anti na mutia jedina me kasa
me menye di na
jedina me kasa
me na me ka de me ka bi
tie
anti na ma me ka say no waje afa
jo so carry no but
me nya musa ho o so opeba what do you need say opeba untumi nya no
ade na no ofia
tie wo zipman
se me kan wa te
na me kwato le wa no pepa me turu ma da we tina wanka
mentimi ni wa ade na mo ofia ta
sebe oja ne na ade otache mo
obwa
so me say ba se me jana
obwa
wotimi ka tram se na wo dem
obwa
mitimi rami ame ring to wo say na ring na mto nse me nware ni bi obetimi aye na group be na say
kan ko wa de bi bia no be na efe
wo say obi a wo dra me wo aye no enua sa no abromu sa enua sa no se wa me so mfo
wo me frame ko ti anya de no ko ti anya de wo me frame me ko ti anya de no wo ko se bua ke
wo ma ho emene ya no
ko ti bia so di mamu ko ti bia so di wey wonye no nika
so me din ti na meja wa woni
ko shini ba wonye ko ti bia so di
me da wase
wote ko ti bia so di me se efie no wo tempo tu pampuro ibo twe mota
anti it's a say one day liberal work bia wo say obi na obi ye adwuma one day liberal work bia
for mesanso emamo akwaba sonko ebiem nyamisha mo seda ne da munya ebreji edwati nsem ayede ebesomo ohwe eye mensa benkunsa eye miss mesical na wote ehono mensa eye nifanso enso no eye prophet Felix Wilmot na wono so ote honum na ene de ni nyina eye awarefo mienu a wo mo de wo nsem akwakwakoto eye presenter bi animu achese adane ayampie twa eno ho enkomo ene ede baba gu akwam enti gibre na tie yen oba Messi me ma wakwa aba
minya ba ekes ka kwa
Miniava.
Mejo so.
Impombo cordia.
Me adom.
Odifo, me ma kwaba. Jidi ye sa ho ye. Ede radiase. Ede radiase. Oba mercy me de be free wo so. Yenhwe ye nuanum mienu ye maamenom ye papanom a ye hu wo mu ye hwe wo mu sua wo mu nam say obi a ya o pe kwa ware ma na bibi o pe obi a wono so wa ware nim na wahwe no ayeden asua no say obi a mo ya warefo na mutimi de mo asem ebeto abonten eka eye say ntawantawa like misunderstanding eba ware mu a ye de ba abonten say ye ba besisi
Ayo mini aba me da was no question. Michia too much etil for ne ahwefo ni na obi bi ohwe nya me nsura no. Mini aba. Asemi de edika. Na asemi we kra de aware no. Enye ade ese ye from kra se ye ka o ma se ye di o ma se.
Aden.
Concert party kra no mte wo ye no. Hey! Na insem hu sei. Awarefo anka ye beka se ye hwemo. Che se Utimu se bema no utimu se ne ho kire ne pa mra omukwa aware enim e na oba ni wo bi nti oba no nso ne se ubekum no me de me hu se oba no na ye problem.
Oh, okay.
Oba no ne ho ye ne de se ne bema ni sisi so se bi eyi bia nso ne di no me enti oba no na ye problem ne ho na ye ne de
ba na eye ne kwan so a eno no se
wo so mo de ba bon tin obi a se wonnimu se da bi unim se enye kranka aware fa se matured people ke se omutimi kan ma asem e na se ekoba se mu mienu mu antimi anka kra mo ware no egusuafo e wo ho witnesses for wo ho enti ese mo freeway na mo freeway bi obema ne family oba na otu bi 11 bi penifu ewo mabusua peni ewo abusua ni na anka e bi a mo ahia na mo aka ne fefefe ba we no timi hu se ye timi nka ma ne nye yie because oba no wapem
prophet den na ema aware entokwa ntawantawa misunderstanding eba ye marriages mu.
First of all, having that too much GH media, I say for this wonderful opportunity to be on their show.
Okay.
And second, my papa, I'm training in ministry with Prophet Stephen Bonnie.
Okay.
I order Fruitful Grace Chapel. I know. Madam. What's the way they are not But all what I want to say is, marriage anchors I know. And you're from Kola.
Okay.
So I can say, marriage is a ministry on its own.
Okay.
And it takes people who are called to walk into that kind of ministry.
Okay.
So I just say,
Okay.
so who need answer concerning marriage? Don't get into marriage. So I just say,
okay.
because marriage, no, there should be understanding.
Okay.
If the both of you don't come together with one understanding, there would always be problems in your marriage.
Okay.
So I just say,
Okay.
with these two people, no. I wouldn't dare. Oh, it's a serious sickness. It's a serious sickness. Because I don't know the reason why I say you're having marital problems. You should bring it on her.
Okay.
So I just say,
Okay.
there should be understanding in marriage.
Okay.
There should be understanding in marriage.
But you know, say, marriages no, ebi no ma, ebi a bema kwa ye bibi, like obanso kwa ye bibi, and ebi a waka ka, on who any changes be and to who is what the barb on team momoa, woman ye expert, our remua, almost our ransom, or the ban and carumum, a bebwana, whom is that?
Okay. That is a good question you have asked. Before you get married to somebody, no, you should know the person very well before you get married to that person.
Okay.
So that's what I say.
Okay.
It's dating, your courtship. So
Okay.
before you get married, you don't just stand up and get married. So what I say.
Yeah.
You should study the person and know the kind of person you are going to get married to.
Okay. Okay.
So what I say. Ain't our boyfriend you should date to know the person, to study the person.
Okay.
Before the both of you can enter into courtship,
Okay.
getting ready to marry the person. So I say, you don't get you don't marry somebody because
The person is having
the
money.
person is financially sound.
Okay.
nipa no bet me I take care of me to me ko ware no
Okay.
nipa no we friend me ko ware no kwasi asem because marriage ewa ewa it's now when you stand on the altar you declare till death do us apart ewa
Okay.
ewa there is no destination for marriage.
Okay.
So I can say.
Okay.
So you should know where you are getting to before you get into it.
Prophet akyerɛ na agye ɔba na si na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ prophet ne nsɛm okay na ɛyɛ nuanu mmienu ya na ɛyɛ maame they are not matured enough to be in a marriage.
They are lacking a lot.
Okay.
Otimi said they didn't almost name each other well. They didn't get to know much about each other and so now they got involved.
Okay.
Senior Bemani see Kano and I senior Bani to see Kano. I say there were almost challenges, baby, koso. Obi say and yeah Bemana who say sorry your grandpa bibi to me son. That means we cry speed time only time 1 minute continue nko. Na be de na wa ware obi a 1 minute on minko. And I went to saw Obana men. Meaning problem no Obana ne bia o cheaty.
Okay.
And a bear mano and support it. And no pe kwine be so they call was a video so I say if you want me ring it to war.
Yeah.
Say me kwa now say look at this. So as I said earlier on say Obano or your problem. Now the man did not figure it out. And I'll call ahead to my said Abia or financially sound until he got involved into the marriage. But idea people do it.
Okay.
Until causes so many challenges and into when a big deal.
And yeah, they say bet me
a big deal. Bearman fan one junior year. No, but even though self pay Obano, but only option because Obano, Subino,
okay,
and Buano. And say, see, I know Obano, so the end on what fan one drink say cheating and obey cheating. I didn't know 2 years again, or baby, or maybe I'm quite so. And you know, yeah, wait, yeah, intimates of him and in ye. Send ye see you corner with me, yeah, Ben must say, yeah, you say, oh, we are called down a chimana ye. I know me, I can see a pan. It's a warrior and a quite worried to send a year can you maybe one say, you to leave you and I see a sister near warrior. What we plan of is that day decoration, dress, makeup, but the main thing I see focusing on say, if you take it time investigate say, oh, this man we are going to marry or to saying every woman is saying, me see Ghanaians, my info pan, so be take it time say, who pay information about something. I mean, I'm a come job, but we don't do all that search. You know, sorry, I'm not just say, they could and here you bet you makeup. Pictures, a better photograph. That's what we concentrate on. We only editing. Last message be a minya na while we couldn't have a sex. Just a bear money gay and obey wearing the son idea so to cover up.
Okay.
And the lady na from and she came out to voice it out. So a whole lot is happening in marriage. It's very a good example for us incoming ones, you know, we learn from it.
Okay, Obama Smeda was say, prophet, me person me who say, is sex the strong pillar in every marriage?
Never. It can't be.
Why?
It can't be. You know, marriage and casano, and yes, sex a responsibility.
Okay.
So I just say, I cannot say, maybe for instance, I've gotten married to, let's say, our sister here. She's my wife. I don't know her that much. Maybe I'm in now 20% me worry no. I just got to know her within 6 months.
Okay.
Then I got married to her. It's a wrong thing to do.
Okay.
So you should study the person to know the person well before getting married to the person, because this sex thing now in conforno, I'm not saying if your husband can have sex, duration rate me for 5 minutes, there should be understanding. Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah, there should be understanding. So just
okay.
If I'm sleeping with you, and I can go for 1 hour. And I'm not to be a call. So they say that one shouldn't break marriage or spoil marriage.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
And sex is not the main pillar of marriage.
Okay.
I can get married to you. Dear mommy, so what I say. And what you are listening to the two of them, you should see that there is no understanding.
Yeah.
Because if even the man cannot satisfy, at least he has been sleeping with you.
Yeah.
So what I say, you shouldn't wait to get your satisfaction before Ubeka say sex.
Now, no sooner we anything. Now who the baby? Only the betness is so many years. Also, I call no pen 1 hour, 2 hours. So when they say you're searching ye, maybe open your song so when you and song come. Education. Open your song and song come. And sound column. And on to me.
Not just say, like
so I said all this one should be involved.
Okay.
Because when you're satisfaction, you can't be in it for forever. Forever. As you said, no destination. So that do you apart. So if you know, say the person will go 1 minute and you are not okay, not because of other things that you are looking upon until you enter, then you fail as they are failing.
Okay. Can I ask a question?
Okay.
The question is that, how would you know if the person, for instance, you've not gotten married to the person? You said we should know before getting into it. Do you get it? So you don't know. How would you be?
What can
you get it? You cannot try it once you've not getting married.
Oh, they do it. No, it's not supposed to be like that. So you have to have sex. Maybe another point is so coming in. Yeah, okay. But to be honest, yeah, frank. People do it before they get married.
Yeah.
They do it, they try, they test it. It's not right, alright, but they do it. So, why should we lie? It goes on. 5% and before married. A whole lot goes on. And they know. You know and you entered. Now you are complaining.
So
all this search, we should take it serious.
Okay.
We should stop lying to ourselves. Lying to ourselves say you based on few things. Now what will support the marriage, sex is part. And if the person is not getting the satisfaction, it's not the main thing, but it's part.
Yeah.
It's vital part of marriage. Yeah, in the beginning, your free say can drone betting I change time the best is maybe and Cassian is best and or shy into cheaty and maybe bearman so a penny year or penny year is into show your own so can I drink the children.
Okay, prophet, not all car and simple that means say like and yes sex and it's me our region, but Ghana phones who say like good sex a bois to a long way to bind your couples together.
There is a woman, you get married to her. She's good, but she does not have married. She does not have sense.
Okay.
And what you are saying?
Okay.
Listen, you enjoy it, you have fun. But if it comes to management, she cannot manage the house. What makes sex into me a vital way of marriage? So they say.
Okay.
So they say.
Okay.
They are keeping marriage any character. Who super the best keeping marriage any sex.
Okay.
If you marry based on sex, then you don't know what you are getting into.
If you marry based on sex, then you don't know where you are getting into. About Mercy.
Yes.
They say prophet wakasa bebre wa maye hunu enioma etimima enioma bi sei de we mu ekom no esi eba afuto ben na wode bema yenuanom ema wo mu wa aware mu a wo mu esu wo mu bobna a ni nyina nhwehwemu ana de like investigation e wasan ko mo yansa na wo so mo kwaware mo mantimi anye na akofa sa wo ha we nyina e de abrom no fa afuto ma wo mu
yo bibia wo hwe me nyame nhwira ye kwa ware mu ma ye nsore entumika enka se age chi and I nyoma bi nti no ye consider few things they kwa ware because our ne kwan ware when ni je nso hia but eni je na wo be choose no ma na enye eni je e bia restaurant bia be ma ne de wo kwa as shopping bi o de wo community one character anye e bia mba asem ye oye bi e bi nso a o hye there are so many things a default bia obi but still ni consider ni rain because of osika because of her dressing because of shia or car udi enu echi a ube faili enti vital thing yen hwe suban no nyamisro be ma wo nyamisro be ma na adwemu da be ma wo atenka na yen fa nkwa aware me gidi ses ye ye ne sa ya ware ebe sipi na be chen so amaye.
Okay, prophet. On so far our final words, Emma, a marriage couples are more outside there.
What I was saying is, if you are married and you're having issues, you're having problems, learn how to solve it at home. So that is here. Learn how to solve it in the house. Don't let your marital issues go public. Because you should know what you are into before you got into. And secondly, so a man woman no shower and papa no shower. It is wrong. You don't love them and they are forcing you to marry. It's a wrong thing. Don't get into a force. At the end of the day, you me pay divorce. Who put a divorce? Who put divorce? Divorce yourself. No marriage has become a fashion. People are divorcing just like that because they feel like I got into a marriage in any relationship. When you get married, you've gone beyond relationship. You should know where you are heading towards. It's a ministry on this, so you need a unique anointing to manage the marriage. So I said ministry, who you are suffering. With that anointing now, even if you have character, you cannot make impact. So marriage is not a joke. Don't just stand up and say, I want to get married. Grow before you marry. That is what I want to say. They should grow before they marry.
I was here for aha and a day and commodity no a besie. And come a call so once so I didn't trefa and send you home anything. Fabra, I will too much in your comment section. Message or best subscribe to your channel. No, so when ya a beam so like your videos, not share for my ebusian for any other phone. All the social media platform. Beat me a follow you where IG page at 2Minutes_. Me did you made him what me ene ekwasi kapa mene eye Miss Messical and a Prophet Felix Wilmot and a etwetwen enkomo ha na di besi dasene ye besane hia makram.